in trouble, it be finding me.
I'm thinking to myself, what the fuck I'm gon' do? Like what is going on with all this shit that I go through? I be thinking every night, man, I can't sleep no more. Everything driving me crazy in my mind for sure. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm sitting here staring at the wall, it's time to roll up. Hold up, I got the shit from California. Me and my people kicking off the river, man, we on one. Unstoppable, killers coming at you, better go and lock it low. Because you fucking with a soldier, thought I told ya. Bitch, I'm all about my doja till it's over, ayy. I don't be playing around with shit, so don't fucking bother me. When we party, it look like we hit the lottery. I see him on double B, got the finest screen. And I gotta keep pushing and pushing, but trouble always finding me. Always getting in my way, but it's okay, I still do one more thing until the day that I lie in peace. I'm living my life in the way that I wanna be living, and nobody's stopping me from what I'm meant to do. Do when I keeping it real with my clique. Never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Hey, stacking them dividends, me and my people, we gripping and flipping it. Nobody's stopping the news, pro and Maverick, we killing it. I don't be finding trouble, it be finding me. I try to live my life in the right way and in peace, for real. Somehow, some way, shit's always so jaded, it fucks with me.
Fucking love this shit. Everywhere I look, all I find is trouble. Start to feel the feeling inside, get brought out. Everybody killing my vibe, just roll on. Everything is gonna be fine, I told y'all. So many years holding the tears, you owed the fear, knowing in fear, throwing the beer, dodging the bed, out to get fed, I ought to be dead, not in your head. Don't understand, I'm out of my meds, out on the leg. This life we live these days, we live, we die for paper. I guess the only way to live is right and keep it game.